Hi folks, Phil here with Phil's DIY. I did another installation of a little mod on my Toyota RAV4 Prime SE. I got little blue LED lights that light up each door handle well, and I just finished installing it. Very simple to install, and they were provided by the good folks at CarTrimHome. And check out their link down below in the description if you're interested in getting one of these. Anyway, let's get to the video. Well, today I got the new light kit for placing behind the door handles of my RAV4 Prime. The good folks at CarTrimHome sent me this kit to install in my car, and I thought I'd make a video to help you guys see how simple it is. Anyway, this is one of them. I think this is one of the left door handle panels. Got a little LED built in right in here. Comes with the wire, and it also comes with 4 of these jumper kits to be able to plug into the door panel. This one is going to be for the driver's door, and these 3 will be for the other 3 passenger doors. Comes with the pry tool. Okay, so let's get started. First, I'm going to pop this up. Oops. Okay, that's all right. You have to get the switch panel out too. Unplug that. Plug one of these in. That jumper is over here. And this is going to feed in through the hole here and down. I'm going to try straightening the wire out with a little curvature in it so that it goes more or less straight down into the opening. And then down. There it is. And it just snaps in. This will connect here, like so. And this looks like it does come with a little fuse holder. I guess just in case. Wrap this up a little bit using that little wire twist tie. Okay. And that's it for one door. Next door. So the simple way to get that little panel out is pull on the door handle, reach in right here, and just pry, and it just comes right out. And with this switch panel, you can start prying right there. Once you have it up, just pull back and out. And here, I think it's this one that I want to plug into. So on this one, they want us to use this connector. Wire through, there's a hole right here. Let me see if I can zoom in on that. Okay, so right there, you want to straighten out the wire fairly straight, and see how it has a slight bend to it. You're going to want to put it in this way so that the wire tends to stay towards you. So just into that hole, push down, and it'll just pop out right there. See that? So you just grab it, it just snaps in, and you're ready to plug this in. And that's it. And then you put the whole thing back. So the front end goes in first and hooks, and then push forward, and then you wiggle the rest of the assembly into place. And that is that. So I had a problem with this driver door installation. The harness that they sent me had this black wire connecting to this spot right there. And on the car, that spot does not have a wire. So this is the factory connector, and this is the one that comes with the light kit. This is where the black wire goes, and I believe that's the ground for the LED that's in the door. This factory connector does not have a connector there. So what I had to do, well, first of all, when I didn't realize this, so when I put it together, the driver door LED didn't light up. So when I took it apart, that's what I found. So because this is to be ground, I checked continuity between all of these wires to see which one was ground, and I found that this position here is ground, and on here, basically, it would be this one here, this white. So that was ground. So what I did was I cut that jumper wire and tapped the LED's black ground wire into that wire and just put a wire nut on there. And that took care of the problem. So this is for the Prime SE. I imagine for the non-Prime or even the hybrid, it may work the way they designed the harness. But for sure, for the Prime SE, and I'm assuming also for the Prime X SE, you have to do this modification to get the driver's door LED to light up. But once you do that, everything's good. All 4 doors are lit now. So I'll just put it back together now, and that's it.